Hi everyone. This is something really big that I wanted to show you. This is actually one of my Heaven and Earth design charts. This is Josephine Wall Crystal of Enchantment. My first Heaven and Earth design that I tried, really tried stitching, and it didn't go well because I had this accident with it and I actually cut it in half. It was cut about this way. So I stopped stitching it, and at some point I just decided to try and create something else with it. So I've created, I didn't create it, I mean I tried making this into diamond painting. So what I did was I ordered big, it's really big, I'll show you in a minute. I've ordered the canvas for diamond paintings. Everybody knows them. They're just paper with some sticky glue and little places where you can put your diamonds, and I ordered the amount of diamonds I needed for the cross stitch, meaning every stitch, every cross is 1 diamond. So that's a lot of diamonds. This is really big. It's a really big project. It's 450 by 585 stitches, meaning the diamond painting is really big. I'll show you in one moment. So let me show you how I kept my diamonds. This is actually, I made it into a book. This is my chart. I went from the end because it's really big and that was comfortable for me. So I actually started this project from the bottom side, and this is my storage for my diamonds. This is beading storage solutions. I'll link, if I be able to find these boxes where I bought them, I will definitely link them below in the info box. But this is great for little beads and for your diamond paintings. This is really like safe. They won't spill. I wouldn't want this to fall because I don't want to break it, but it closes very well. Closes like this, and you have it safely inside. Now when you open this, you have different sizes of storage boxes. These are the medium, I think. You have like large sizes, you have like tiny little ones. And what I did was actually, like you can see, I printed out the symbols of the cross stitch, my key from the Heaven and Earth design pattern, and I glued them on the boxes. So each one of those are equivalent to DMC thread. So it's the same colors, only in stones. This is amazing. I have a lot of them. I think it's like 80 something colors, if I'm not wrong. I don't remember how many colors are there, but I have one box and I have the other one, and I have a few empty ones too. So this is great for storing. I really am glad that I ordered these boxes, and they are amazing. Now I'm going to show you the project itself. Don't be scared. It's really big. So this is what we have. To be honest, I don't even know how to film this because this won't fit my, I don't know, I have to stand really far away. This is 1 meter and 12 centimeters width and 1.5 meters high. So this is really big. It's really heavy, and I have no idea if I'm going to hang this ever, how I'm going to do this, because this is the size of like a huge gallery painting. But that's okay, this is just for fun. So it comes out beautiful. I mean, I was afraid that this won't look like the original Heaven and Earth design, and really I don't really know if it's exactly the same, but the colors of the stones fit perfectly with the colors of the DMC threads I used. So I think it's good enough. It's beautiful. You can see all the details. It's really big, so of course from the far it looks like really good. The stones are, let me show you close. The stones are the same stones you use for your every diamond painting design. There you have one of them is coming out. No, looks like it. It's the same kind of stone. It's the it's the square diamonds. They're really shiny. I can't really show you, but from the far they shine really well. Basically what you get is, what you're supposed to get is a canvas that looks like this. It's the same canvas you get from your diamond paintings, only it's not printed, it's just the paper with the glue, and the stones you put in just like you stitch. When you stitch, and every stone is 1x in your cross stitch. So it's basically the same thing, only with diamonds. It's really great. It's fun to do, but thing is that diamond painting is number 3 in my hobby lists. Number 1 is my cross stitch. Number 2, my second place, is stitching with beads, like beading, and this is number 3 for me. So I just do this when I get tired of everything else. For now it's just standing in a corner waiting for me. It's really it's taking a lot of time, but for those who like diamond paintings, I think it's perfect because it will take a lot of time to do, and it's beautiful. Really, it's heaven and earth design. It's bound to be beautiful. I don't know, again, if I'm ever going to not finish, maybe I'll finish this, but if I'll ever going to hang this, but everybody is really excited when they see this. What you have to do, basically, if you want to purchase one of these, or if you want to kit one of these, all you need is to know what size of chart you use. Like I'm going to show you on my chart. Like, okay, so this is 450 squares. So every square, every cross stitch, every stitch is 2.5 millimeters. So do the math, and you just multiply 2.5 millimeters by 450 squares, and what you get is the size of the canvas that you need. The only thing is that you need a little more, so the exact size of squares is this will be the exact size of squares. You will need to send your seller, the one you will be ordering a project from, the key from your design. This is what I sent to my seller, and well, basically they kitted me with everything I needed. They where's my key with my, oh, I think I didn't put it in here, but you have in your key pages, between them you have the amount of stones and the amount of threads you need for this project. So my seller actually used the amount of stitches you need for each color, and they shipped me the exact number plus some more from each color of stone. So this is what we did. Unfortunately, I won't be able to give you the address of my seller because I don't think they're online anymore. This was like maybe 2 years ago that I purchased this, maybe 1 year, no, more like 2 years. so my seller doesn't, I couldn't find them again. But every seller that sells diamond paintings, you can ask them for the stones, or you can just look for stones wherever you can buy them. And this is great. This is a great project. So hopefully you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, you can ask me. I'll be happy to answer. And that's about all. Subscribe to my channel, give me thumbs up, and write some messages. I'll be happy to hear from you. See you next time. Bye.